Too small, man. Too small.
Too small. Stop recording.
No. Full screen. Hello, guys.
This is Awesome Soda here.
Where's the Dribble BFFs?
Yeah. Oh my
God. And a little bit of Amy Ryan.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
No, I know. We're all cousins except him. He's my brother. She's my cousin. He's my brother.
Why'd you throw it out there? What? Were you trying to throw it at the computer screen?
Town Hall 7. My Cash Cleans Swag.
Swag. I'm out here.
Wrong way.
Whoa! My bad. Back up. Back up. Is it really that funny?
Oh my god.
Here we go. We can have some effects on this thing.
Yeah. Effects are like
tilt shift. What? Swag. Retro 30, retro 50, retro 60, photo lab. Big head. Oh my gosh. Look how funny I look. I look like that guy.
Do the swirl. Already do the swirl.
Modern, look at this. It's so cool. I'm half evil or I'm half good. I'm in the middle. My nose is the base for everything. Watch. Ew, that was nasty. Okay, watch this.
Yeah, quickly turn the light off so they can see my Clash Cleans face. I don't even know why I'm showing them it. Does this make it any better? No, it doesn't. Not at all.
Yeah. Keep the light off, doofus.
It works worse.
Colorize.
Town Hall 7.
Town
Hall 7 just lost to Town
Boom chicka boom chicka boom boom chicka boom chicka boom chicka boom boom chicka boom chicka boom chicka boom. We are cheating the system, by the way. What? I didn't say anything. What? Big eyes. Do the big eyes. Oh my gosh, Carly. Dark eyes. Wait! Swirl! Look at you. You're so swirly.
Swirl.
Oh, you want to see Ghost? Look at Ghost. We're going to do Ghost video. Come on.
We're gonna do Ghost video. Oh, we're gonna do Ghost video. Ow. Swag. Sway all the way.
Hello, this is Awesome Soda and the Dribble BFFs.
This is going on my channel, which is Awesome Soda.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe.
Let me do the talking, Missy.
The Dribble BFFs.
I'm scared. Okay, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like this video, just do what I say.
You better like it.
Oh my! I want to fall to my back. Did you realize there's two of us?
There are two of each one of us. We're going forever. I'm going to give myself a high five. Check this out.
High five.
Woo! High five. And then spread apart. Woo! Yeah, watch it. Okay, come here. Hey, move over out of the way completely. On that side.
I have the skills to pay the bill.
Okay, now. What? Now.
Stupid Pepper.
Come up.
Skills to pay the bills.
High five and go back.
When you're not confident, you have complete visibility into your business.
Ew! I hit you. No, I'm joking. I love you. You're my cousin. You're my best friend.
Oh, my.
I said I hate you.
Oh, my. I said my. We should do a ghost wrestling video. That'd be so cool. Ghost wreck. Who wants to wrestle? You want to wrestle? Camera? What? Wrestle camera. No, I'm joking. I'll break it. Piggyback ride. Piggyback ride. Okay.
Get up.
Visiting the doctor, exercising, living healthy, so you get more for less. Introducing Hancock Life Insurance from Vitality. Learn more at JHRewards.com.
Oh, got an itch on my eye. Oh, this sucks.
And it does some work. It's these guys.
I'm looking. I gave out. My leg gave out.
Hey, after this we're doing a ghost wrestling video. Oh, should we do a big head wrestling? No. We should do a swirl wrestling video.
Catch me! I'll catch you. Whoa. Brianna, want to piggyback ride? Yeah, piggyback ride.
Yeah, on this messy thing. And I'm really should be doing this.
Secure cloud services.
Oh, God. Okay, I got you.
Gonna squash you like a bug.
Thanks, guys.
Those were the scissors I was talking about. Don't make me laugh. Don't make me laugh.
Feel how it hurts?
Oh, I'm falling. Oh, crap. Do you have to go to the restroom? Yeah. Go to the restroom! Oh, crap. Go! In the laundry. I landed in the laundry.
So,
Bring go to the restroom.
oh, I have two versions of myself.
I know, so do I.
Hi, other me.
Hi. Oh no, watch.
AT&T Byron Nelson and Irving.
Hi.
That is so awesome.
Texas Las Colinas.
Ghost wrestling video, I can like smash you like a bug. 12 versus a 9-year-old. Guess who's gonna win?
Groups, though.
9-year-old.
The front nine is this third round start time was pushed to just about 1 o'clock local time for the first
Nah, I gotta get you.
played out 4.
This is gonna be easy.
Karen Percy. From there, to the right.
Not today.
Yes, today.
Boom. Oh.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
your button. Oh, there's part of a pad or something.
No.
Oh, that hurt.
I did not hit you. That's wrong. Okay.
I just
Yay! I'm back in the house, people. Woo!
Ghost wrestling.
No.
We don't even have to wrestle, but hey, everybody, it's a game of tag meat versus ghost.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Got it. Oh crap. You're I'm in. Got ya.
I can't believe you didn't go for me.
No, I
Think twice.
got ya. Whoa, God. Pause.
No pause.
Everybody,
He's running.
Where is it?
I'll be crushing it.
Oh, bulldozer.
Bulldozer.
Let's do bulldozer. Just watch the point of the game. Take the bulldozer. Oh crap! I was going the wrong way. Okay.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
You see some other guys, some Foden, Johnson.
This is a pretty fun game.
They're young.
Go. What the freak? Did you just push me? Maybe next time I'll push you. Ah! Got me. They got me.
Hey, let's do this. Okay, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Good.
Part 2 today.
Yeah.
Part 2 today.
And Goodbye.